KH Industries has been an industry leader in quality power products for over 60 years. Headquartered just south of Buffalo in Hamburg, New York, KH Industries is located on a manufacturing campus that boasts hundreds of thousands of square feet of state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Buffalonians are built tough, just like our power products. Come work a job that will help you grow your career, gain valuable new skills, and collaborate with other departments. Whether you work in the office, production, or somewhere in between, we allow employees to explore their interests and use their individual expertise to develop their skill sets. We believe in hard work, but also in having fun, hosting several company events throughout the year. With livable wages, a great company culture, and employee benefits like healthcare, PTO, retirement plans, and more, KH is a great place to further your career. Get your next job right here in the 716. Apply today and join our team at khandustries.com/careers.